how to install the Android theme for Microsoft Windows XP, Vista, and Windows 7. This is for the installation to a micro SD memory card only. What you need to do is come to your internet browser, type in www.lg-view.com. You want to make sure that you're signed in and on the home page. You can click Home here to reassure that you are on the home page. Then if you scroll down, you'll come to Customization Resources and Themes. You want to click Themes here. And you'll see some child boards. Then you'll see the subject board. And here you'll find the Android theme version 1.16. Click on that, and it will open the Android theme thread. Now what you want to do, you can come down and you can see a live preview of the Android theme here. And here are some images. You can click on these for larger size, but these are some images for the Android theme of what it's actually going to look like. Now you can play around with this as there's an SWF here on the site, Shockwave Flash Object. But if you like that theme and you want to install it, at the bottom of the first post here you'll see Android theme version 1.16.zip. You want to click on that. And you want to make sure that your downloads are actually saving to your desktop. You want to click Save File and click OK. Then the Android theme will save. It goes pretty quickly. You can minimize that. And on your desktop you'll see a zipped icon here, Android theme version 1.16. Now what you need to do is right click on the icon. Your icon's going to look different than mine because mine are custom. Come to Extract Files, click that, then the extraction path will pop up and you want to select Desktop and come down and click OK. Don't worry about that little window that just popped up. Okay, once you have extracted it, you're going to get a little folder on your desktop called Android. Okay, so now what you need to do is make sure that your phone is set to mass storage mode, and you want to connect it to the PC via the data cable. Once you have connected the phone, the computer will make a noise letting you know that it is connected, and an autoplay box will pop up. And at the bottom of this autoplay box you'll see Open Folder to view files. Double click that, and you will see here the root of your memory card. Inside the root of your memory card you'll see a folder called Themes. And you'll see, once you double click Themes, you will see all of the previously installed themes as well as the theme list.txt. Now what you want to do is grab the Android theme from your desktop and drag it over and drop it in. That's going to copy over into your memory card. It won't take it very long to do this. Because it's actually a smaller theme than some of the other themes. Okay, and you will see, once it is written over, you'll see the Android folder here. And what you need to do is you need to double click on this Android folder. And inside you're going to see wallpapers, widgets, the SWF file, and some configuration files. Now depending on the model of the phone that you have, I have the CU920, but if you have the CU915 or the TU915, you need to edit one of these files' names. So I have the CU920, so I want to right click on Config CU920 and I want to come down and select Rename. And you want to put your cursor right at the end of that last bracket. Just click there, and you want to backspace slowly. You want to remove that bracket, the 0, the 2, the 9, the U, and the C, and the other bracket, until you just have Config. And then you want to come down and just click in the white portion to set that file name. Okay? Now you want to come up and click Back. Once you've clicked back, come to your theme list.txt and double click that. And then you will see your themes list pop up here. You'll see all of the previously installed themes on this themes list that you've installed before. If it doesn't look like this, perhaps it looks like this, and if it does, that's incorrect. So what you need to do is come up and hit Format and turn Word Wrap off so that your themes list looks like this. Okay, now what you need to do is bring your cursor down to just before that greater than sign at the themes list, right here at the bottom. And you want to press Return once, which is Enter on your keyboard. You want to pull that down one time, and then you want to use the up arrow on your keyboard twice, and then press Tab. And that will line you up perfect in the row to add the Android theme. So now what you want to do is you want to make a greater than sign, and you want to type in capital ANDROID, Android. Tab over, theme name, capital THEME, capital NAME, there's no space there. Make an equal sign, a quotation mark, and type in Android again with a capital A. And then you want to put another quotation mark. Then you want to tab on over twice to location, type in L, capital L, OCATION, equal sign, quotation mark, 0, quotation mark. Tab over once to folder name, type in folder name, capital FOLDER, capital NAME. Make an equal sign, a quotation mark, type in Android again, capital ANDROID, in the quotation mark with a quotation mark. Tab over twice to file name, type in file name, capital FILE, capital NAME, there's no space between that, an equal sign, a quotation mark, and you want to type in capital ANDROID.SWF and a quotation mark. You want to tab over and make a twice and make a backwards slash and a less than sign. And then you want to read back over your theme line that you have just added to make sure that you have everything perfect, because capitalization and punctuation is very important. Once you reassure that everything is looking good, come up to the X here on your themes list, click that, and you of course want to save changes, so click yes there. And you want to come up and close this window, come down and use your Safely Remove Hardware Wizard to safely remove your USB mass storage device. Once you have done so, you will have the Android theme installed.